Not very often, but sometimes you find yourself want to create a text, maybe title, animations, or maybe just integrate it with your other scenery. And below our primitives, we have a special available options to create the text. So this is not expandable, it's just one action. You click on this and you open your text editor. Again, you can access your text editor from the above drop-down menus. In the text editor, we have a very straightforward display for us. So we have our text displaying in preview windows, and below where it says text, we can actually type. So you can type, you can preview your text. You can also use it your mouse middle button, if you have a scroll button, to zoom in and out, and your right button, just click hold, and you can rotate and see how it's look in 3D. Preview in 3D is very important because we can work with bevel, extrusion, or materials, and sometimes you want to preview this. On the top, if we look up, we have our properties. We can create a new text, we can load it, we can save it our text, we can click to render preview, see how it will look with our current settings. We also have a preview options. So in this case, we're using OpenGL, or you can after render, zoom in out, rotation, zoom in. We have it also reset rotations, reset our panning, and reduce or increase precision. Increased precision sometimes necessary when you see with some fonts you may have this kind of steps almost on the side or when going, then you maybe want to increase polygon count. However, increased polygon count, it will create smoother text, but it will also increase little bit on the render time in the preview mode. But what the most important, it will increase polygons overall count, which is take additional memory on your computer. And if, for example, you don't have it enough, that may reduce some performance of your application. Okay, let's look a little bit below as we're going here. And you notice we have our text where we're typing in. We also have our bevel right on the sides. We can apply it. So right now it's straight. We can go enable this. Okay, let's go right here, click. And you can see right here we start having this nice bevel go on the edges. Of course, we can modify with all of this. And we'll look, again, we overview right now all these properties. We'll look a little bit closer after when we start creating with more text. We have an effect with extrusions, and we can modify all materials based on if we want a front, extend, or front bevel right around there. So we have all of this. And as we adding new and new, like for example with bevel, we have it rear on a rear as well. You can see we add additional rear bevel as well. So it will add additional materials as we need it. Overall, this is text tool. You can, after when you're done, click OK, and you can see we place it inside our scenery, 3D text that we can use it. We can animate this text or integrate it with other properties. So let's go in the next tutorial. We'll look a little bit closer on the properties of the text.